Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm standing in front of the Alta Magnolia. The Alta Magnolia, this is in Allen, Texas. It's a really pretty new apartment. It's in this really pretty area. It's called the Farm. It's a fun area. It's right off, you see 121 is just right up there. It's a really convenient area. There's restaurants that are coming in here. There is the Chicken and Pickle that's there, and there's other restaurants that are right over there, and there's actually a concert venue that's over there too. This is a fun area. It's just recently built, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a great tour here. We're gonna set up, go inside and see the models in here. We're gonna see the amenities and just give you a full guided tour of the Alta Magnolia. They're gonna have rent specials here too, so if you act now, especially now, as of this filming, you've got some great rent specials that you can get in and just get some good deals on the Alta Magnolia. What we're gonna do is we're gonna film about 10 to 12 videos, and then we're gonna put this all on a channel. Just watch all the videos. It's better than coming in person. Just watch this full tour. And by the way, I've been touring, I've literally toured, I don't know how, 1,500, 2,000 apartments. I don't know how many. But anyway, so I'll give you a really insider view when I tour it, and just watch them. If you have questions anytime, or you'd like your own personal virtual live tour, send in a request to me. That's my number below. Just say, "Hi Grant," ask any question or request a tour. So we're about to go see this beautiful property. Just come with me and we'll go see it. The next video, I'm gonna talk a little bit more about the area, and let's go do that right now.